How to clean up iCloud on my iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your Apple account at the very top of the screen. This takes you to the Apple account screen, which manages your personal account for all Apple services. From this page, tap on the iCloud option to proceed. As you can see, the storage is almost full. Now, tap on Manage Account Storage. This page shows which apps are using the most storage. Tap on Backups to manage your device backups. Select your iPhone from the list of device backups. Here, you can see details about your last backup. To clean up storage, tap on Turn Off and Delete from iCloud at the bottom. Following these steps, you can easily clean up iCloud on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.